Good morning, children. I am Nishi Arora. With me, Pooja Pareva. Today, we shall study class 12th, subject English, textbook, Flamingo, prose, lesson 2, Lost Spring, summary, part 1. Dear children, this lesson is written by Anis Jung. The main theme of this chapter is poverty and child labor. This lesson is story of two boys, Sahib and Mukesh. We shall read about this in the summary. Okay, let's start. Summary. In this story, the author unveils the utter destitution of the rag pickers of Simapuri and the bangle makers of Firozabad. Word meaning: unveil, पर्दा उठाना, utter, बहुत ज़्यादा, destitution, गरीबी, makers, बनाने वाले. Sahib is the son of a migrant family. From Dhaka. Their houses and fields were destroyed by storm. Word meaning: migrant, प्रवासी, field, खेत, destroy, नष्ट करना, storm, तूफान. He is a rag picker who lives in Simapuri in Delhi and goes about barefoot in the heaps of garbage to earn his livelihood. Word meaning: रैग पिकर, कूड़ा बीनने वाला. बेयरफुट, नंगे पांव. हीप, ढेर, garbage, कचरा, thousands of such children live with their families in Simapuri. Word meaning: children, बच्चे, live, रहना, the rag pickers of Simapuri live in mud houses. These families are living in utter poverty. Word meaning: mud, गीली मिट्टी, poverty, गरीबी, in order to earn better, Sahib starts working at a tea stall where he is paid rupees 800 per month, but he is not happy at working there. Word meaning: earn, कमाना, start, शुरू करना, टी स्टॉल, चाय की दुकान, हैप्पी, खुश. It seems he works for someone else and is no longer master of his own. This loss of identity weighs heavily on his tender shoulders. Word meaning: master, मालिक, वे, वजन होना, टेंडर, कोमल, shoulders, कंधे. Then the author tells about Mukesh, another young boy. Mukesh's family, like other families of Firozabad, are victims of poverty. Word meaning: author, लेखक, young, युवा, family, परिवार, victim, पीड़ित. His father is blind and as a family tradition he has always worked in the glass bangles factory. Word meaning: blind, अंधा. Work, काम करना. Bangles, चूड़ियाँ. The children work very close to the furnaces that they are exposed to various health hazards, even losing their eyesight. Word meaning: close, पास. फर्नेस, भट्टी. हैजर्ड, खतरा. आईसाइट, दृष्टि. In the story, the author brings out the depravity of child labor. Childhood is considered as spring of human life, full of joy, pleasure and play. Word meaning: depravity, अनैतिकता. लेबर, श्रम. स्प्रिंग, बसंत. प्लेजर, खुशी. But millions of children like Sahib and Mukesh have lost their spring, childhood. Word meaning: like, समान. lost, खो दिया. childhood, बचपन. So dear children, here the title Lost Spring is quite appropriate, as childhood is the spring of life. Spring is the time of new beginning, new life and joy. Lost spring implies how childhood, joy and excitement is lost somewhere in these children's life. Okay, now summary is complete. We shall do question answers of this lesson in part 2. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.